Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick demo of Lockpick. Now what this is a simplified version of Mastermind. Basically you're trying to rob a bank and you have to crack as many locks as you can in 1 minute. The basic idea behind this game is you have to crack different combinations. Each combination has 3 numbers, and they can be between 1 to 7. And the idea is to try to crack the combos. Now, just because I'm going to try to explain this before I play, just so that you have an idea of how this works. So, pressing the left and right keys will move between the 3 numbers, and pressing the up and down keys will choose a number in that respective place. When you want to make your guess, you press the enter key, and depending on the sound feedback that you hear, that will tell you how far you are in terms of guessing. A low buzzing tone means that the number is completely wrong. A double tone tells you that the number is correct, but it's not in the right position. And a high single tone tells you that the number is in the correct position. The numbers will pan from the left to the right so that you can hear which ones are correct, and then you can continue playing. So I'm going to try to play this a few times. Now, I believe for every correct combination you get 5 points, and I think you get an extra 5 seconds put onto the timer. So the idea is to see how many numbers you can get before the timer runs out. This is a pretty cool game. I like that it makes your brain work. And I should say too, before we get started, this game is not new. This game is very old. Probably a good, I don't know if I'd say 20 years old, but it's probably close to that. I'm pretty sure this game has been around long before I started doing these demos. So let me go ahead.
Start window. Lockpick app.
And run the game.
Lockpick.
Lockpick.
Choose an option from the following menu. Start game.
And that is a very young Liam. This is a standard menu. You go up and down to choose options and press the enter key to actually choose that option.
Check speakers. Send score to lworks.net.
That does not work anymore. That hasn't worked for years.
Exit.
And then you can quit.
Check speakers.
Let's do the important test of speakers. You technically don't need stereo speakers to play this game, but it does help.
Left. Right.
Start game.
So hit start.
Your timer starts
now.
So now if I moved to the left,
1,
that's 1.
1, 1,
And I just moved to the right.
1, 1.
So right now the combination is 1, 1, 1. If I press the enter key, it tells me that they're all wrong.
2,
Let's go up here.
3, 2, 3, 4.
So 2 and 3 might be possible combinations because it was giving me the double beep. Okay,
5, 4.
so that's number 4.
1, 2.
Let's try 2 here. Nope, let's try 3. Yep, so the last one
1, 2.
must be 2. So that's the combination. So that's how that works. Now, what I'm going to do is play this again and not talk because I'm concentrating on playing. But as you can tell, this game heavily relies on logic, and it makes your brain work, and I absolutely love that. Now that beeping you're hearing tells you that the timer is about to expire. You have 10 seconds left.
Your final score is 5 points. Choose start game.
So that was pretty bad. I only got one combo right. Let's try this again.
Your timer starts
now. 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3,
Sorry if you can hear Kathy in the background.
1,
Can't do much about that.
4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 2.
You know, we're gonna quit because I don't have much time left. See what I get.
Your final score is 35 points. Choose and start game.
Not bad. Let's try that one more time.
Now.
So I just skip the cutscene with the enter key.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Nope. Okay.
Your final score is 30 points. Choose and start game.
So I did better the first time around,
Just exit.
but that's okay.
Thanks for playing Lockpick. For more great games, visit l-works.net.
Audacity.
So that is Lockpick. It's a neat little time waster. I think it's kind of cool because it makes your brain work. I suppose you could use it to help teach people, perhaps teach children some logical thinking. I'm really hoping that at some point we get BrainStation. BrainStation sounds like a very cool concept that is being worked on by the same guy that made this. But I don't know if that will ever happen because from what I can tell, he has a job and that's taking up a lot of his time. But hopefully we'll get BrainStation at some point because that has lots of games in it that will definitely make your brain work, and I will definitely be doing a demo of that when that comes out because I think I think that's something that we really don't have. So BrainStation will basically have a bunch of math games, word games, things like that, games that will train your brain and really make you think. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this demo of Lockpick. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. But you guys take care.